वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Welcome to the journey of the first year of Makshi Infotech. Our directors had the desire to have an office par excellence. It was their unceasing efforts that enabled this marvel to be set up with an exponentially short time. With clockwork precision, the dream was realized brick by brick. The result is there for all to see. Our very own dear office at Makshi Infotech. Let me take an honor to introduce our Makshi Infotech team, which compiles of our directors, management team and its members. An enigma and the person with a vision and determination to move ahead and create a masterpiece, meet our very own dear Mr. Bhavik Sarvaiya, who is an epitome of far-sightedness and practical sensibilities. Charm, charisma and the sheer sensibilities is what makes Mr. Bimal Bhatt the practical level-headed leader at Makshi. Determination and the will to excel is a trait which one can easily learn from Mr. Chetan Thakkar, who has worked day and night motivating the team members and making them accept new challenges. Initially, Makshi started the career by handling approx 400 properties pertaining to automobiles such as cars, bikes, trucks and so on. English Media was another successful step ahead as we included 75 blogs on a host of topics ranging from health, fitness, travel and so on. Gradually, we developed big projects in the year of 2010 which consists as Indian Drives, Movies Adda, Indian Rides, Travel Adda, Mobi Adda and Wellness Adda. After successfully venturing into the international shores, we felt the need to cater to clients in our own home country. Our reputation for excellence made it easy for us to procure clients and we presently cater to brands such as Charak Pharma, Esfellow Fashions, Atram, Swara, Rulac, Shah Group and others. We are proud to have ventured and formed ties with almost all sectors such as real estate, logistics, trends and fashions. Makshi has stepped in with confidence and catered with skill. Makshi Infotech entered into automobile industry by launching Indian Drives portal, which invited various showrooms to include their names on our portal. Indian Drives #1 automobile portal updated the business of 100 dealers in Mumbai and 500 all over India into first gear. More than 65,000 visitors approached Indian Drives to hunt for new and used cars. They rely on us for first-hand information on Indian and American cars. During the initial stages itself, Indian Drives had 414 organic users. Indian Drives became a known face at media launch for a well-known brands such as Audi, Nissan, BMW, Mahindra and many more. We gained popularity with each article being posted and on 30th March 2012, Indian Drives won more than 20,000 likes. This was indeed a remarkable achievement. The cherry on the cake was that Indian Drives was also invited to take a test drive of Nissan Evalya, Mahindra Ponto, Mahindra Verito, new Maruti Alto. Besides Indian Drives, Makshi entered into entertainment arena and launched Movies Adda, a portal which has shown tremendous growth within a short time frame. Numerous production houses have been impressed with our work and have even included us as media partners for movies such as Sada Adda, Dal Mein Kuch Kala Hai, Diary of Butterfly, Amma Ki Boli and Cigarette Ki Taraf. Several celebrities too have availed of the professional services of Movies Adda, and presently we have big names such as Poonam Jawar, Aisha Sagar, Bhoop Yaduvanshi, Roslyn Khan, Salman Yusuf Khan. We are proud to have such elite clients to cater to. Gradually, we were also able to fetch fresh shows of Bollywood and Hollywood movies. Some of the famous and big movies were Barfi, Student of the Year, Son of Sardar, Life of Pi, Talash, Khiladi 786, Twilight and many more. Stars such as Sunidhi Chauhan too have praised Movies Adda for its good work. Let's have a look.
Hi, this is Sunidhi Chauhan and you're watching me on Movies Adda. Keep watching.
हाय, मैं हूँ अली हसन, शी इज इरफान मलिक।
अरे भाई, ही इज इरफान मलिक।
हाँ, कंफर्म रिपोर्ट आ गई है।
जी हाँ, ये है अली हसन और मैं हूँ इरफान मलिक।
और हमारी जोड़ी की तरफ से हिंदुस्तान की प्यारी प्यारी आवाम को प्यार भरा नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल
और अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
और आप लोग देख रहे हैं
मूवीज अड्डा, एकदम ठगड़क ठगड़क ठगड़क। तो देखते रहिए, भूलिएगा नहीं, ठगड़क 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 ठगड़क।
हाय, दिस इज सोनू कक्कर और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं मूवीज अड्डा चैनल पर। देखते रहिए मूवीज अड्डा।
Hi, मैं हूँ चित्रांगदा and you're watching me on Movies Adda.
Hi, this is Sonu Sood and you're watching Movies Adda. Rocking, rocking and very rocking.
हाय, मैं हूँ श्रेया घोषाल और मूवीज अड्डा के सब सुनने वालों को मेरी ओर से लॉट्स ऑफ लव।
मेरा नाम शक्ति कपूर है और आप सब लोग देखते रहिए मूवीज अड्डा। ये तो अच्छा टाइटल भी हो सकता है फिल्म के लिए, मूवीज अड्डा। सो आप सब लोग देखते रहिए मूवीज अड्डा।
हाय, मैं हूँ किशोरी शाहनी विज और आप देख रहे हैं, वैसे तो बहुत सारे अड्डे देखे हैं लेकिन ये मूवीज अड्डा देख रहे हैं आप, एंड इट्स रॉकिंग।
It was an honor that we got marvelous comment from the most admired PRs in Bollywood, Dale Bhagwagar, who is an independent PR consultant since 1997. He messaged our PR Vijay Lakshmi saying, "I went through your site and found it extremely neat. Very good web design and content. With this journey, it's time to hear what our well-wishers and clients feel for Makshi Infotech."
Yeah, hi. Congratulations to Makshi Infotech and the team for successfully completing the first year of operation. It's quite heartening to note that management has stabilized this company quite well in this turbulent environment, but both internal as well as external. We have seen the dramatic change in the revenue profile of the company, and management has done quite fabulous job in stabilizing the company. I once again congratulate the team. This industry, particularly what services we are in, two things are very critical: innovation, that means creativity, as well as consistent delivery. I think Makshi has shown tremendous zeal and enthusiasm on both the count and performed consistently throughout the year. I would urge all the team members to continue to support the management to take Makshi to newer heights in the coming year, and I would once again congratulate all the members and my best wishes to all of you.
Congratulations to Makshi and the entire team for completing one wonderful year. It's been nice to know Bimal, Bhavika and Chetan, and I know them even before Makshi started. So my heartiest congratulations and all the best. In all this time that I have been associated with Makshi, I have found that they are one of the most professional and the talented people in this industry. And I am sure they are going to take this company miles and miles ahead, making a good Makshi family. So all the best to Makshi and the entire team.
Hi, congratulations to Movies Adda for completing 1 year and heartily wishes and best of luck from Bright Yogesh Lakhani. Thank you, all the best.
मूवीज़ अड्डा के 1 साल पूरे होने की खुशी में मैं उनको ऑल द बेस्ट कहना चाहता हूँ और चाहता हूँ कि वो दिन दुनी रात चौगनी तरक्की करें और जिस तरह वो इतनी सारी फिल्मों, इतने सारे आर्टिस्टों का काम कर रहे हैं, चाहता हूँ कि कम से कम 200 नहीं, 500 नहीं, 1000 से ऊपर आर्टिस्ट मूवीज़ अड्डा के पास हो जिनका वो प्रोफाइल हैंडल करें और बहुत सारी फिल्मों का जो ऑनलाइन प्रमोशन है वो करें। आई विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट। थैंक यू।
I'm Srishti from PY Films, and they are doing promotions for our first movie सिगरेट की तरह. First time आप जैसे स्वीट लोगों से कोऑर्डिनेट किया, एंड सबको मैं ये बताना चाहूँगी कि हम लोग का ये वेबसाइट डिज़ाइन कर रहे हैं, ऑनलाइन प्रमोशंस कर रहे हैं, एंड दे आर वेरी गुड इन क्रिएटिंग क्रिएटिव थिंग्स, क्रिएटिव पोस्टर्स एंड डेली अपडेट्स के लिए. एज एन ओवरऑल मेरा बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था.
I am thankful for getting in connection with Makshi through Hitesh Bhai, and the way they have promoted our website in various search engines, and the type of inquiries we are getting is phenomenal, and we are very satisfied with the way the directors have communicated and maintained a relationship with us. And a back-end staff also has given a lot of effort in promoting our site. And this is I am having my own domain from last maybe 10-12 years. But this is the first website where I am feeling that this is really a website which I was looking for so many years. And it is found in all Google pages on either first or second pages in almost all the various categories of LED products where we are registered. So I am thankful and I am congratulating the team of directors and the staff members for completing first year of Makshi Infotech, and I wish that many more years and many more customers like us benefited through Makshi.
I am Dipesh Shah. I am Tejas, and we are from Atrang Fashions, the fine jewelry destination. First of all, congratulations to the entire Makshi team for completing 1 year of operations. Congratulations especially to Bhavik, Bimal and Chetan.
It seems to be a surprise for you guys from your Makshi team, right?
And looking at the year that went by, we are really surprised and happy to see how Makshi team has helped Atrang become a brand online.
2100 fans on FB, still counting. Wow. Your SMO is super.
Be it SEO, SMO or even website development and maintenance, Atrang team does not have a choice. We solely depend on Makshi Infotech to deliver the results for us and to make our business future ready. What impresses most about the team Makshi is the process of getting your concerns resolved. They are just exemplary. Thank you team Makshi, and especially Bhavik, who's been our one-point contact for the entire of the duration that we've worked with Makshi. And
thanks to Bimal and Chetan for their lovely insight and the way they work with us very comfortably and very accurate.
And as a company, we wish Makshi Infotech a wonderful and a very prospective and bright future ahead in becoming India's backbone e-commerce solutions provider. The best when it comes to e-commerce. Thank you Prashant, Nishi, Babita and Purnima and all the other guys whom we missed here.
Also thanks to all friends. It's your mammoth effort who will take us, Atrang, to a new height.
मूवीज़ अड्डा बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है और मेरी तरफ से उनके लिए बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ हैं. भाविक और चेतन जी बहुत ही लेबोरियस पर्सन हैं और बहुत अच्छे से काम करते हैं. बहुत अच्छे विचार हैं उन लोगों के और मैं उन्हें बहुत पसंद करता हूँ और मैं हमेशा बिजनेस में उनके साथ.
हाय, साजन अग्रवाल. मूवी अड्डा बहुत ही कमाल का चैनल है और हम लोगों का भाविक और चेतन के साथ बहुत ही अच्छा एसोसिएट है स्ट्रीट एक्ट का, और उन्होंने हमारी फिल्म अम्मा की बोली के लिए जो मेहनत कर रहे हैं और की है वो सराहनीय है. और मैं चाहूँगा कि आप सब लोग भी मूवी अड्डा से जुड़ें.
हेलो, माय नेम इज़ प्रफुल्ल बगड़ाई, ओनर ऑफ कार स्टेशन वाशी. आई हैव बीन रजिस्टर्ड इन इंडियन ड्राइव फ्रॉम लास्ट 2 years. I am glad to say that Indian Drive is one of the best used car portal. I have been extremely satisfied with the services of Indian Drive. I wish them very all the best for future.
मी देवेंद्र चौधरी. माझं आप्पास्वामी कार्स नावाने पनवेलला कारचं शोरूम आहे. गेले 20 वर्ष मी या गाडी लाईनमध्येच आहे, पण मी कधी ऑनलाईनमध्ये याचं ट्राय नाही केलं कारण मला माझ्या हिशोबाने बिझनेस समाधानकारक होता. पण 1-2-2.5 वर्षापूर्वी मी इंडियन ड्राईव्समध्ये ऑनलाईनमध्ये चालू केलं आहे. तर मला तिथनं पहिले म्हणजे माझा बिझनेस होता त्यापेक्षा भरपूर जास्त प्रमाणात मला बिझनेस भेटला आहे. रेग्युलर 8-10 लीड रोज भेटतात, त्यातनं जे 1-2 क्लिक झाले तरी माझा बेनिफिट मला चांगलाच मिळाला आहे. 2-2.5 वर्षापासून मी त्यांच्यासोबत आहे. ऑनलाईनमध्ये मी कुठेही ट्राय केलेलं नाही अजूनपर्यंत. पण आता इथे ट्राय केलं तर मला चांगला रिस्पॉन्स झाला आहे. इंडियन ड्राईव्हशिवाय मी कुठे एंट्री केलेली नाही माझी, पण यात मी समाधानकारक आहे. मला बिझनेस पण चांगला मिळतो आहे. इंडियन ड्राईव्हर्सला माझ्याकडनं येणाऱ्या नवीन वर्ष बाकी पण त्यांचं जे बिझनेस होईल त्यात माझ्याकडे त्यांना शुभेच्छा आहे.
जिस तरह की मतलब पब्लिसिटी मीडिया के थ्रू हमको मिल रही है उसके लिए मैं इंडियन ड्राइव का खास तौर पे बहुत ज़्यादा धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ और मेरी शुभकामनाएं उनके साथ में हैं.
रवि जे कोठारी, मैं आशीष मोटर्स पार्टनर्स के तरफ से काम करता हूँ. वहाँ पे मैं मैनेजर के पोस्ट पे हूँ. उनके कोऑर्डिनेशन जो है वहाँ से आपके जो बिमल भट्ट जी आपके CEO और जो रोशन जी हमारे जो संभाल रहे मैनेजिंग का, उनका कोऑर्डिनेशन भी बहुत अच्छा है. ओवरऑल इंडियन ड्राइव का अच्छा लगा.
There is a secret formula for the success of Makshi, and that is unity. United, the company walked hand in hand, taking in its strides all the challenges. Work and enjoyment go hand in hand here, and we had a lot of memorable moments such as Fun Friday, the annual picnic, the welcoming of Lord Ganesha, and a host of other events as well. We have spread our wings and have expanded in all directions. Makshi is like an eagle which soars above the clouds and follows the trends of the highly volatile market. We have numerous prestigious projects in the making which will take us to the pinnacle of success. Some projects which are in the pipeline are Magic Mirror, Saptarshi Developers, Atrang, Royal International School, Anchor Tire Tubes and many more. A big congratulations to everyone for supporting Makshi Infotech in their all possible ways. By this, the first year ends with hopes and promises of a new beginning for the years to come. Makshi Infotech rocks!
नगमे हैं, शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं, बातें हैं, बातें भूल जाती हैं, यादें याद आती हैं, बातें भूल जाती हैं, यादें याद आती हैं. ये यादें किसी दिलो जानम के चले जाने के बाद आती हैं. यादें यादें यादें
This is Makshi's Journey by Nishi Patani with Reshma Jadhav and Purnima Jadhav. Concept and direction Reshma Jadhav, Purnima Jadhav, Nishi Patani. Script and dialogues Deepthi Asnani. Video editor Ketki Gowde. Support team Vijay Lakshmi Kashit, Roshan Jadhav, Pratik Joshi, Prashant Nagonkar and Mayuresh Joshi.